Find the greatest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. In solution, first of all, what is the greatest 4-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. But here I need a greatest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. It means this number is not a correct. It is greatest 4-digit number, but I need greatest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. So I am taking 999 this side. Making a page. So 99. What is the nearest square number of 99? 81. Nearest square number of 99 is 81. So 9 9s are 81. Take 9 here and add. 9 plus 9 18. Now subtract. 9 minus 1 8. 9 minus 8 1. So double 9. Now I am dividing 18. Empty box. For example, if I took 6 here, 6 6 are 36. 3. 6 7 are 48. 48 plus 3 51. 5. 6 1 are 6. 6 plus 5 11. So not a nearest number. Not a nearest number of not a 18 99. Now take 7. 7 7 are 49. 7 8 are 56. Plus 4 66. 7 1 are 7. 7 plus 6 13. Not a nearest. Now I will take 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. 64 plus 6 70. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 7 50. 1504. No. Now try with 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 8 80. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 8 70. So what is the answer? 1701. What is the answer? 1701. So better to take 9 here and 9 here and 9 here. What is the answer? 1701. Now subtract. 9 minus 1 8. 9 minus 0 0. 8 minus 7 1. So what is the remainder here? What is the remainder here? Remainder is equal to 198. Remainder is equal to 198. If you subtract 198 from 999, you get perfect 4-digit perfect greatest 4-digit number. 4-digit number. If you subtract 198, so by doing division method, I get 198 as a remainder. If you subtract 198 from 999, you get perfect greatest 4-digit number. Required greatest perfect square number square number of 4 digits is equal to 999 minus what is the remainder? 198 is a remainder. So after subtracting you will get 9801. So 9801 is a required greatest 4-digit perfect square number. Find the least number that is to be subtracted from 4000 to make it perfect square number. Solution. What is the number given here? 4000. It means 4000 is not a perfect square number. You have to find number which is subtracted from 4000 to get a perfect square number. See here. I am taking 4000 and making as a pair. So what is the first pair number? 40 is a first pair number. What is the nearest square number to 40? What is the nearest square number to 40? 36. So 6 are 36. 40 minus 36 4. 6 plus 6 12. Now take the second pair numbers 00. Now 1 2. I am doing with 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So not enough. Now try with 4. 1 2 4 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 4 1s are 4. 496. It's more than the 400. So better to take 3. So 3 and 3. What is the number here? 369. 10 minus 9 1. Then after 9 minus 6 3. So here remainder is equal to 31. Here remainder is equal to 31. To get perfect square number, to get perfect square number, 31 should be subtracted. 31 should be subtracted from 4000. 31 should be subtracted from 4000. Required number is equal to 4000 minus 31. 4000 minus 31. Now subtract 4000 minus 31. 10 minus 1 9. 9 minus 3 6. Here 9 remaining. So required perfect square number is 3969. 3969. Verification. 3969 I am making as a pair. 6 6 are 36. Now subtraction. 6 add here 12. 369 is nothing but now 3969 is a perfect square number. 3969 we can write as 63 whole square. Here is another question. Find the length of a square whose area is 4489 square meters. Solution. Let length of square. Let length of square is equal to x meters. Why? Because I don't know length of the square. I am taking that length as x. Let length of square is equal to x meters. And what is the area? Area of square is equal how much? 4489 square meters. 4489 square meters. Already we know what is the formula to find the area of square. It is nothing but side into side. Area of square formula is side into side is equal to 4489. So I took side as a x. So what we can write? x into x is equal to 4,489. X into x is equal to 4,489. X into x is nothing but x square. X square is equal to 4,489. Here I am removing not which x square is equal to now 4,489. 4,489. Make it a pair first. 44 and 89. 6 are 36. It is how much? Subtracting after subtracting? 8. 89. So take 6 here. 12. 7 sevens are 49. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 4 18. 1. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 1 8. So it is 67. 8 9. X square is equal to what we can write here? 67 whole square. 4,489 we can write as 67 whole square. According to exponents, both squares are cancelled. So x is equal to 67 meters. What is the length of the required square? 67 meters.